Alright, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know what we're doing today. Only thing I got to tell y'all. Maybe I do. But anyway, so today we're going to be taking the LS apart, or LM, whatever. We're going to be taking the motor apart and pressure washing it down, cleaning it up, and finding a lot of the weak spots like this. I see a lot of oil right here. I have to change the valve cover gaskets. I was going to do that anyway. I'm going to just clean it all up. A lot of oil right here. I'm gonna just clean it all up, make sure that the motor's all good and clean, change the crank, maybe, it's a little rusty, you know, button up a couple of things and make it look a little bit nicer. So I guess that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and start snatching off the wire harness, taking all of this stuff apart, getting everything covered up, getting everything out of the way, and then yeah, clogging all the holes up like the intake so I don't get water inside of the intake. Even though there's a lot of freaking oil in there. Wow, that's a lot of oil in there. That thing's black in there. Good thing when we change the throttle body anyway, because this is a electric throttle body. Kill it. Kill it, kill it, kill it. So yeah, I guess let's get into it. We'll go ahead and set the camera up so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and start snatching this harness off, cleaning it all down, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got the main harness off. Oops. The main harness is off over there. I guess next thing what I'm going to do now is take off the coil packs and the wires so that I can access the valve cover gaskets and inspect those to see what's going on while they're so oily. Then I'm going to clean it down and see what's up with everything else. So let's get on it. Alright guys, so as you can see, these valve covers are very, very, very dirty. Like very dirty, like not even funny dirty. Both sides. It's a lot of grease and crap in here, a lot of oil everywhere. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash it down and see if that helps a little bit. That way I can clean up everything and then maybe I can have a better idea of where that oil is coming from. First I gotta move it because it's too close to the inside of the garage. Let me get it over here in the sun somewhere and then go from there. Alright, got my good old best friend some good degreaser. Spray this baby down, get it cleaned up. Alright you guys, I'm not done yet, but it looks a hell of a lot better already. I can actually see the valve covers now. That's actually yellow. Oh, a lot of that oil and stuff is gone. Nothing back here. There's a lot of oil. All of that crap's gone. I'm gonna spray it down one more time just to get it all the way clean. That was just the first coat. So as you can see, that first coat did wonders. I can actually see the valve covers now. And the block. So let me spray it down one more time. And then yeah. Second coat, here we come. Alright y'all, so I got some more degreaser and I'm gonna use this little wire brush right here to agitate some of the dirt that won't come up. Then I'm gonna spray it again. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to spray this down. Oh, I'm going to spray this down one more time. Since I didn't take all of this crap off, and here it's still a little dirty, so I'm going to take all of that. I'm going to spray it all down one more time, just to make sure it's all 100% clean. I see there's still a lot of dirt in the front, so spray it all down one more time, clean it up a little bit again with the brush, and then that's probably my last round. That's a whole lot better. Now I can actually see where I missed. I don't know what that even is. Oh, it's for the headlights. Now I can see what I actually missed. I can get all the way in there and clean the real deal stuff out of there. So I guess let me go get some more spray cleaner and let's clean the rest of this crap down. Let's get to it. So that's going to be the end of that cleaning show. Looks hell of a lot better. Look at that block. Look at the heads. The heads are spick and span now. Man, it's clean a ton. Yeah, I like that. I like that way better. So I guess right now I'm gonna go get me something to eat. I'm starving and I can't go without eating anymore. So I guess I'm gonna go have a little lunch break, and then I'm gonna come back and I guess we can see what else to do with this thing. Probably take the intake off, see what's going on up under the intake. I do want to change all the gaskets, take the valve covers off, see how to look up under there, and then get everything situated and so I can know what I need to order to start piecing it together with. So let me go have a lunch break, and I'll see you guys out there. Let's go ahead and start getting this thing pulled apart. I don't want to bore you guys too much. I'm gonna set this camera down and get rolling. We want to get this thing put in the shade first. Alright, so you guys tell me what you think about the inside of here. Comment down below. Let me get a light first. Let me get a light. I don't know about that. It looks a little beat up in there. The other side. The other side is even worse. This side is like black. I don't know. No, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the heads off. Anyways, let's get back to getting the intake off next. So you guys, this is why I gotta take the intake off. Look how dirty it is. I like those cathedral heads though. They are very nasty in there. Wow. Gotta take these heads off and clean them. Sorry. I found the issue. I found out why this side looks terrible. Look at that spring right there. Look how that spring's all discombobulated. How it's all thrown out of whack. And look how much these are like straight. These are all straight. You get to that one and it's all springy looking, like a slinky. Oh crap. Oh, found some disturbing news. Let me go show my dad. Alright y'all, so I showed my dad the whole intake, the whole spring and retainer crap thingy that's broken. He said I should be able to just change just one of the springs, just that one. But I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take the heads off and spin the motor some more to see if there's any other damage. Hopefully there's not any more damage. Oh yeah, this motor spins good. This motor spins freaking good, man. Oh my gosh. Shoot, and it builds up a lot of compression. I'm so happy, guys. This motor spins phenomenal. Yes, which means that this side only messed up the rod and the little springy, slinky thing, slinky thing, whatever that is. So the motor feels good. It spins really, really good. As you guys can see, we're spinning this thing. We're spinning this thing real good. Yep, a lot of water in there. I am stoked. I am happy. Yes, the motor spins freaking awesome. You can see that all the lifters moving how they should be. So, all right, guys. So I can't find any 8mm. Let me find an 8, and then I'll see you guys when I find an 8 to take the freaking other stuff out. You know, yeah. All right, guys. I got an 8 finally. Jeez, I'm all out of breath. Let's get these freaking rocker arms off. Alright guys, so my camera's about to die right now. What time is it? It's only 2:04? What the crap? What? Alright, so my camera's about to die. I guess I'm gonna take a break from this real quick and let my camera charge. This is where we at right now. I got all the rockers out and the push rods are here, but they're out. So I took all the lifters off. And yeah, this side, all the other springs are tight, but this one does spin. So that's definitely a problem. But I don't have the tool to push these springs down and get them out. So I gotta call and order this tool. Once I get the tool here, I'll see you guys then. Maybe my camera's all charged up, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So I got my camera battery back charged up. Last thing I'm gonna do today is get these heads off. Already got the 10mm bolt, so I just got to get the 15s out, and then we're gonna take the head off and see how it looks up under the head. I mean, like I said, the motor spins freely, so hopefully everything looks pretty good. Oh, I took the oil pan off already too, but I haven't seen it up under the heads yet. So let's get the heads on. Rusty. Looks like the water been in here too. I don't know if you guys can see like I can, but there's a lot of rust in between these cylinder walls. Like water's been in there. And this one has a rust spot right there. So it looks like we might have to change the pistons as well, which is something that I wanted to do anyway. Yep, that's a lot of rust in there. Well, I guess that's going to conclude this video, guys. We've seen enough of that already. Got the motor apart, disassembled all the way down to the block. I guess on the next part of this video, I'm going to go ahead and take the crank off, take the oil pump housing and all that stuff off the front. Already got all the parts for it. I pretty much got a whole new rebuild kit. We're going to do new water pump gaskets, new head gaskets. Every gasket pretty much on the car is going to be redone. Front and rear seals, all new gaskets, got new valve cover gaskets, everything. So probably in the next video I'll take the block apart and, sorry, I'm trying to get in the shade, it's hot. So I guess on the next video I'll take the block apart and see how the pistons look out of the block. Probably going to go ahead and change those. Might not, I'm not going to spend too much money on them, but I do want to, you know, make them a little worthwhile. If I got to take it apart, I might as well change them anyway. They're not that expensive, so. Thank you all for watching as usual. We're going to the top, baby. And I'll see you guys on the next one.